guys, today we're going to be playing Roblox. Oh my god. You guys, I've been trying to record, but the recorder app decides, oh, we're not doing this. And then, yeah, I have to restart it every time. On my phone charger. This game contains jump scares. Yeah, I know that the hard way. I like the way he actually punched me. You guys saw that? No. Alright, first we go upstairs, which is going to be the hardest because it's ignited bomb. Alright, this one is usually just simple. Grab the painting, send it to the back rooms. Ah, that's nice thing. I mean, a lot of times it does stuff. Where is he? What? Well, I had 2 jump scares. It wasn't even anywhere. Oh my god, I hate this. Close that. How do I grab the magnet? I'm pressing on the magnet, but it's not working. So how is that possible? Okay. Let's just pretend that we opened it. Alright, we opened it. Give me some. Let's hide here. We won't know. Oh, no. Ah! Can we just like hide? Get me out! Get me out! I'm dying. That is impossible, but I don't know what that means. Yeah. Alright, let's go. No! Jump scares. Jump scares. Ignite by doing a slash. Bro, Ignite Bonnie is using his admin panel because I'm just freezing. Ignite Bonnie, stop. Play the game fairly.